Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I'm going to show you around my wood stove today because I got to do something to it. I have a problem with it. It's not working correctly right now. The switch went out. I've owned this. This is a central boiler, 5648 I believe is the model number, so it's a pretty big unit. The unit is sticking out the back of that building right there. But the switch isn't working, so I'm not getting power, so I'm gonna have to shut the breaker off. But I'm gonna show you around it first before I replace the switch. I stopped at the central boiler today, the dealership, and about 15 miles from here, when I picked my grandson up, they happen to have the little rocker switch I needed. I was just gonna put a regular switch on it. They don't have a lot of wire in there, just enough wire, and they're staked, so it's not gonna be easy to pigtail any wire to it. But let's get this going. Let me show you around. So I built the building in 2010 or 11, I believe. I got the stove in 2004. The front part of the building where the door is, that just holds the stove. Here's the firewood. It's an 8-foot opening, so you can see I stack it pretty close to the top, probably 7.5 feet high. And the wood building, the building for the firewood, is 14 by 24. I keep the tractors alongside it. So now you can see right there, some of it slipped out or fell out, or I didn't stack it all the way up. And it does shrink. I don't use all this. So it's a nice little setup. Check around the back side of it. And that cupola up there is just to keep the smoke from rolling in. So let's go inside. Here's the rocker switch right here. You can see I can wiggle it around. I'll probably get... So that's the problem. I'm gonna go shut the power off. Oh, I might have a switch. I can't remember if I wired a switch in down here or not. Well, I'll just shut it off with the breaker. All right, first thing, let's see what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this cover plate off. See what it looks like back here. Like I said, they don't have a lot of room in here. Oh, one of them's missing. I've owned this. Oh, I'm blocking my light. Let's see if I can move this a little bit. Ooh. I don't know. Wow. I would say that failed. I think this is all for the, probably mice, guys. Yeah, this looks like it. Let's get this all cleaned out of here. Yeah, this is all mice problems. At least the mice didn't chew the wires, so this is going to be very fixable. Wow. Look at that, guys. Just burnt it right up. In fact, the connectors are still on the wires. There we go. These are all melted. I don't know if we're going to get these off. We may. I mean, I got enough room. I could always put new spades on, I guess. Put new wire in here. I might have to do that, guys. Oh, no, got it. Okay. Got that one. I wonder where it was, though. And let's get this one off. Okay. Whoa. I have wood down here. Oh, it all just came apart. What is holding it, I wonder? There it goes. So here's the new switch. It looked like it was something like this. I don't think it matters because it's just the on-off switch. Probably should tape that up. We'll see what happens. There we go. Ooh. Pump's cavitating a little bit. It will get smoother. Let's see. Oh, really hot too. Let's get this back together. There we go. There's air to lines, guys. That's why it's doing that. From it sitting. It sat all night without running. Oh. What happened there? I see there's one right sticking right in the foam here. Oh yeah, I hear it running. Now it's pulling the cold air, so it's burping. This says 202 degrees. I don't know if you're going to see it because of the flicker in the camera, but sometimes you won't be able to see it. But it's supposed to be from 185 to 175. And 202 is pretty hot. So the reason it got hot, it wasn't circulating through the house. Let's see what it looks like inside. Lights are on. There it goes, starting to smooth out. Nothing in there. This is why I put that cupola to allow the smoke to go out. I used to get smoked out in here. That fire hasn't ran most of the night because that switch went out during the night. She's full. Each one of my bays are 8 feet wide and 14 feet long. Like I said, I stack it as high as I can. So I've cut all this out so far this year. We burned a lot of wood this year. I usually burn 2/3 of this. So out of the 20 cord that you can get in here, so I'm burning 12 to 15 cord probably a year. I stopped that central boiler today in town here, and I got a quote for a new one of these. But the new ones are the environmentally friendly wood stoves. I guess they don't produce as much smoke, maybe a little bit more efficient. Guys, they quoted me $16,995 for this thing. I paid, this is the 5846. I paid $5,500 approximately in 2004. This thing has been bulletproof. I've not had any problems with it. I occasionally got to replace the gasket. I did do a little welding on the door because I had a crack down here. Other than that, that's it. I take it back to Taco Pump. I changed the cartridge out once, about 8 years ago. I do need to get another cartridge rebuild. But this thing's so simple, and I wish they would put these in residentials again. When it's burning hot, there's no smoke. So, all right, guys, that's going to do it. I'll see ya at the wood stove next time. Take care.